I need your help on picking out the right tire for the second gen Ram Mud Truck to Show Truck project build. What's up everybody and welcome to the channel. Today we're at A&A Auto Stores here in Dallas, Pennsylvania. As you can see outside, it is raining a little bit, but I need your help on picking the right tire for the second gen Ram Mud Truck to Show Truck project build. So we're here, we got some tires lined up here. These are the tires that they have at the store. They have the Mickey Thompson MTZs. They have the Yokohama Geolander ATs. They also have the MTs. They have the Mickey Thompson ATs, and they have the Mickey Thompson, the new one out, which is the Baja Boss. So these are just a few of the tires that they have here. And if you do know, since you do follow the channel, this is the rim that we went with. It's the Fuel Stroke 20 by 12 that we were putting on the vehicle. But they also carry Interco. They have the Super Swampers, the Boggers, basically any type of tire I want, I could basically get. So, but I need your guys' help in helping me decide on what tire we should put on this build. So you need to hit that like, comment, and subscribe button and check out some of the videos so you'll see what tire will fit that build or complement that build. But comment down below as to what you guys think the tire should be. Well, till next time, I'm Joe, driving trucks and hunting bucks is how I roll it. Wicked Fabz!
We'll be right back.